In 2016, a young dreamer named Richard walked through the doors of Cambridge International Academy, where his journey of discovery and growth began. Cambridge International Academy became more than a school. It was a place where his ambitions took flight and his passion for learning soared. Empowered by Cambridge International Academy's teachings, Richard pursued higher education at Ontario Tech University. There, he not only honed his academic prowess, but also embraced the challenges of the ever-changing landscape of software engineering. Years later, Richard's path led him back to Cambridge International Academy, not as a student, but as a mentor and role model. With the wisdom gained from his journey, he now stands before you, a testament to the transformative power of education. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Richard Said, a beacon of inspiration and a testament to the enduring impact of education. Welcome home, Richard, to where your incredible story began. Join me in celebrating our esteemed educator. Let's give it up for him once more.